Day 5, part 2, Ford Ranger wheel arch repair, driver's side, inner panel. So this is I don't know how much you caught on part 5, part 1, but I just wanted to show you the aftermath. All right, this is the inner patch spot welded in. Or actually, it's welded in, and I cleaned up the welds. Okay. So that's the inner. And now I'm just going to go ahead and throw some primer up on there. Try not to catch it on the camera. Anyway, that's good for a first coat. So I'll do several coats. I'll do like 3 coats, and then I'll do 3 coats of some flat black I got just to protect it, and I might even throw some seam sealer on there when it's all said and done. Alrighty, so that's just a quick video. I just wanted to show you what it looked like, and it's primered, and I'll throw some like I said, some paint on there, and we'll call it a day. And time to move to the front side of the patch and do some work on that. We're gonna get ready to put it in Bondo, prime, and paint. All right, take care.